Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and today we're working on a Subaru Outback 2022. This is part of a three-stage video showing you how to change the back speakers, the front speakers and the tweeters. If you haven't checked those out already, by all means have a look and I'll show you how to take the parts off. This particular video is the front door. We're going to remove this door card to change out this speaker here. Like I said, there are other videos showing you how to do the tweeter and the back doors. Alright, we are going to need a pick tool, so along those lines, my Trusty 4140 Pry Tool, and a Phillips screwdriver. This I already have. Okay, in these doors there's only two screws holding the whole thing in place, and they are one behind this panel up in here, and there's one behind the little panel in the door. We're going to start by taking this plastic panel off with my trusty Pry Tool. The easiest way is just in front of the lock mechanism and pop it out, like such. Okay, then I need my pick tool and I'm going to hook out the plastic cover in there, and behind that is a Phillips screw. So take that one out, take that one out, that's it, two screws and we're done. Okay, and now don't worry about this panel here. It looks like there's a cover panel with a screw behind it. There isn't, not in this case. Alright, I can't get my fingers through this door here, so again, back to my Pry Tool, get it caught in the corners, and pop. So all these are clips, and again, don't just yank on it, but give it a bit of a wiggle, and you'll find clips come out a lot easier. Move it around. Now, this one here can be a bit annoying. So as you're pulling on the door, you can just see this one staying behind. In that case, you can get your hand behind it and just give it a bit of a push from the inside. There we go. I'll show you another one up in there. Alright, and now the door should lift up and over. We can release our two door latches. They pretty much pull towards you and unhook. So we can take out our window and mirror plugs. If I can get my hand in there to do it. They're basically just push clips. And then we have another one at the end here for that little tiny light that's on the door handle. It's giving me some grief, so grab my pick tool and pop that one out. Oh, this one's really fighting me today. There we go. And then our puddle light down the bottom. With that out of the way, we can now see that the speaker on this car has a nice big 6x9 frame, but it's only a 6-inch speaker. There's 4 screws holding it in place. Keep hold of those because you need them to replace your new speaker. It's a standard Toyota style plug on the top, and out it comes. So there's not much to it. It's pretty plain, simple and boring. Very, very lightweight. Right, let me show you what I've done. Around the passenger side. So here's one I've already installed. 6x9 speaker, so way bigger than the last one. Toyota plug. On these ones, the clip is the positive side, so in this case the purple wire is the top where the clip is, that's positive, grey is negative. Double foam around the speaker spacer, single foam around the speaker. The spacer is a AirPro APS 333, make them in a bag of 2, and the speakers we're using is the Audison range APK 690. They come with a separate tweeter, which we're going to be putting up on the dashboard. Now the problem with the Audison speaker spacers, these things, is that most times you've got drillable holes for your speakers, and these ones that don't, it's just a big hole right through. So I've put a speed clip on the back of it, and that just holds it all together. Cool, so a little tip for you. Alright guys, like I said, I'm doing the back speakers and the tweeters as well, so keep an eye out for those ones. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, and I will show you more videos as they become available. Thanks for watching.